So you're driving down the highway and it's just pouring rain, and you say to yourself, well, at least I'm getting a free car wash out of this. But is the rain really good enough to clean your car? So we talked to an expert at the Auto Spa in Mississauga, Ontario, and he answers that exact question.
It does rinse it off. Hey, yeah, it rained on my car. It rinsed off all the, the gunk and salt. But it actually creates problems. The rain sometimes isn't enough. The salt and the water and the rain and the salt powder dust, everything sits inside, and it actually starts to rust from the inside out and breaks off like this. A lot of times the dealerships won't give you the warranty because it's rusting from the inside out versus the outside in. When you don't rust protect your car, you've got this kind of an intrusion. It's a sad thing. Acid rain etching, which will mean if you take a water droplet, put it on a flat piece of metal, the sun goes right through it, it actually burns a hole right into the paint. What I suggest is a hand wash, periodic hand wash, not necessarily once a week, but at least once or twice a month. Dealing with bird droppings, okay, the rain sometimes isn't enough to actually get it all away. Even though it's been there for about 15-20 minutes, you can actually see a little halo of what it's actually been doing, burning away at the paint. We have bird doo-doo right here, and I'm gonna just try and take it off with some chemical here. You wanna smoosh it. Now we'll let it dry. And there you go.
So while the rain might seem like a simple solution to clean a dirty vehicle, a proper wash is needed to prevent and protect in order to extend the life of your car.